Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, I'm going to show you right here in this video on how to add music or sound effect to your video clip in CapCut video editing app. Let me show you how. Open up your CapCut app. The next thing you want to do is to import your footage. Click on Add New Video. Then at this point here, select the video clip you want to use. So from these options, from my video gallery right here, I'm going to go ahead and simply select a particular video clip right here. So I'm going to use this video clip right here. Then click on Add. Now the video has been successfully imported into our CapCut right here. Now let's see how we can simply add sound effect or music to this particular video. For that, we want to go ahead and make use of a particular website to download the sound effect that we want to use. I'm going to access from CapCut right here and then go ahead and open up my Chrome browser. Then after you open up my Chrome browser, click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab. Click on search. Then go ahead and type in my instance, hit on search, and it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and click on the first result right here. Just like so. Then you have different sound right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all different sound on this particular website. And you can download any one right here and use it all for free. Click on this three slider right here and see different category. Click on category. You can get on memes, videos, games, pranks, reactions, sound effects, as the case may be. Or you can as well get sound trend for TikTok, as the case may be. You can also get a viral sound in this particular section. Let's say you are creating a prank video and you want to have some sound effect. Click on pranks and it's going to give you different sound effects for prank right here. You can click on here to play the sound. Then for you to download the sound, go ahead and click on this particular share button icon right here. And the next thing you want to do, you can see MP3, slide this way, continue to slide. You can open in CapCut, or better still, you can download into your phone gallery. So for that, just go ahead and choose your file by Google Download right here. One file save to download folder, just like so. After you have successfully downloaded the file, then you can go back to CapCut and import the sound or audio or effect into your video clip in CapCut timeline. I'm going to access from my download folder. Then I'll come back to my CapCut right here. Now, the next thing we want to do is to import the sound. For that, we want to make sure nothing was selected so that we can see the add audio button. So for that, go ahead and click on add audio right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you click on sounds right here. Then go ahead and click on this folder. Then go ahead and click on device. Under the device right here, you want to make sure you scroll down right here and look for this sound that you just download from the site. So here we go. We have the sound right here. Go ahead and select the sound. You can play the sound before you import it to your video. Once you're satisfied with the sound, all you have to do is to simply click on this plus sign right here to import the sound to your video clip in CapCut. Successfully added. Then you can simply play the video now. Just like so. Because of the copyright of a thing on YouTube, that is more reason why you cannot hear the sound right here. But basically, this is how to simply add sound effect or music to your video in CapCut. So what you need to do right here, if you want, anywhere you want to stop the sound, you can decide to stop the sound at any point in time. Like for instance, I can decide to stop the sound right here. So I'm going to simply click on here, split, then we come to click on here and click on delete to trash icon. Then we have the sound to be played from here. And it's stopped right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use CapCut video editing app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.